Hi guys, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. I love talking about all things fashion, style, and luxury, so if you enjoy those things, please be sure to join the family and subscribe. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new bag, and this is going to be a live unboxing, okay? I literally just received this package and I wanted to open it with you guys, so you guys are gonna get my true reaction because I have not seen this in person yet, but it is a new luxury item to my collection. So if you guys watched my video where I shared the handbags that I would actually sell in my collection, and I'll link it up above, I shared I'm currently in a one bag in, one bag out situation. So I actually sold something, and I actually sold something from the video as well, and I was able to get the funds from that and buy this new bag because, like I said, listen, somebody gotta go for someone new to come in. It is what it is. So I got this bag, and enough rambling, let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm literally opening the box now as I talk. But when it comes to items, I usually get any pre-loved items from Fashionphile. That's usually like my go-to. But I saw this bag, I was looking for this bag in particular to see if it was available. And I saw that this is available actually on the site, but it's full price and I wasn't gonna pay that amount, and this color wasn't available on the site. So I looked it up and I saw that Shopbop, if you guys aren't familiar with Shopbop is an online retailer that sells luxury and contemporary items. They have a connection or some sort of program with What Goes Around Comes Around, which is a luxury consignment shop. And I guess they have a partnership. And so I got this bag from Shopbop by way of What Goes Around Comes Around. So I was able, as you can see, if you guys can see, it says Shopbop. I was able to get it with the Shopbop 2-day shipping. So I was here for it. I was definitely here for that. So, okay, here it is. Okay. Oh, this is much smaller than I thought it would be. Wow. Okay. So let me just go ahead and open it. So as you guys can see, if you guys can see that, the camera's not washing it out. It says Prada. So this is a new little Prada goodie, and as you can see, she's little. She's very tiny. So let's go ahead and open it up. And it is, oh wow, this is much smaller than I thought it was. Okay, this is a little, oh girl, there's a lot of tags and stuff. It is this cute little Prada handbag. So the bag is literally the size of my palm. I don't know how I feel about that. To be fair, I probably should have looked at the measurements a little bit closer, but based off of what I saw on the site and what I saw on Prada's website, it didn't look like it was going to be this small. But let's just go ahead and take a look at it, open it up, and see how we feel. Because I did mention in that video as well that I wanted to get a new red handbag, and I knew that the bag had to either be really big, like a nice like pouch or something, or really small. And baby, this is really small. So it does come with the Prada like authenticity, and it also comes with crossbody strap as well. So here is what that strap looks like, and it's nice and long, and it also can be adjustable. So let's just go ahead and zip it back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip the strap on. I'll also include mod shots of the bag so you guys can see, and I'll include it on me as well. So I'm just gonna put it on crossbody, and if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking in my mirror right here. And of course, like I said, I'm gonna include mod shots. Wow, okay. This is very interesting. I think it's really cute. I think it's a cute little bag. I'm not gonna lie, I do wish it was a little bit bigger. Just because, okay, so I'll definitely have to probably go somewhere to have some holes added into here, because otherwise it falls very low. I'm not gonna just leave this on. How do I feel about this unboxing? Like I said, this is a live unboxing. I have not looked at this before. Of course, when I bought it, I looked online, but I have not looked at it before to give my thoughts. But this is, it's very cute. It is a cute little bag. It's in really good condition in terms of the way it looks, because of course, like I said, I got this consignment. So this was basically like 50% off retail. and it also has feet, so I think that's really cute as well. It has a little bit of like, as you guys can see, I don't know if you see those dents, which is fine because again, that's the bottom. I don't really mind. And then as this bag is stuffed, it will also open up a bit because it looks like it's kind of dented in here in the front, but that's because it's empty. Yeah, you guys, what do you guys think? I don't know how I feel about it just yet. I think the color is gorgeous. I think the style of bag, because I wanted a bag in this style, I think that's gorgeous too. I just feel like it's a little too small. Like, I know I said I wanted small and I got what I asked for, but this is just a little too small. I want it to be just a little bit bigger. So I'm on the fence about this. So I'll keep you guys posted on this little cutie if I decide to send her back or keep her, because I'm not too sure. But I think based off how I style it and once I see it with different pieces in my collection, I'll be able to make a more like a better decision in terms of what I should do. So sorry if this video was all over the place. I wanted to just unbox something with you guys live for the first time. So again, I apologize if it's all over the place, but let me know what y'all think. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and like, comment down below what you think. If you think this little red cutie is something I should keep or if I should consider sending it back. And I'll catch you, and follow me on Instagram at Modernly Michelle, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.